We are going to create a box and whisker plot using this data. These are the days of the month in which those that are here with me were born. So the first thing we need to do is input our data into the calculator. So you're going to hit stat, which is now red here, and you want to edit your list, so you're going to hit enter, and then you're given a list here where you could put in your data. So we have 17. How do I do this on here? 17, there we go. 12, 14, 3, 27, 5, 28, 3, 5, 1, and 21. Hi. Okay, and then from there, I need some important information. So I'm going to go back to stat and over to calc, this one here. So I'm going to shift right, and I'm going to get one variable stats, which is number 1, and enter a bunch of times. I'm doing this because I need 5 important points to plot on my box plot, and you can find them if you scroll down. Your min, Q1, median or Q2, Q3, and your max. Okay, so before I do a box plot, I'm going to write down this information. One, 3, 12, 21, 28. Okay, so this is my minimum. This is my Q1, Q2 or median, Q3, and max. And that says max. All right, I'll rewrite it again. Max. Before I create a box plot, I need to know how long my number line has to be. Does anyone have any idea what I might use to do that? The range. I have to know how far it goes in order to create it. So how do you find the range? It's the maximum minus the minimum. So in this case, we have 28 minus 21. Let me move my line down. Okay, so that means that my number line has to go from at least 1 to 28, and it has to be, what did I do? 28 minus 1, not 21. 27 in distance. Okay? So I'm going to start marking it off. I'll start with 0, and what do you think I should count by if I have to get all the way to 28? 3s? I take it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. I think that was spot on. Nice work. Okay, after you have your number line that has all of your range in it, you can plot your points. So our minimum here was 1, so that would be right around here. Our next key point is 3. That's going to be here, and that's Q1. Then our median, or our Q2, was at 12. Q3 is 21. And our maximum is all the way over here at 28. Okay, we're almost done. Sean, how do I finish a box plot? Danielle?
You connect Q1 to Q3.
Connect Q1 and Q3 as a box, and then you connect to your min and max with your whiskers. You are done. Okay? But that's not the only important part. We have to know how to read a box plot as well. So I just want to know what percent of data is in each quarter. 25%. A quarter is a quarter. Exactly that, 25.